Easy strategy here. So make sure you're fully hedged here. Grab some contracts, just showing you how easy it is to, with structure, work two charts, multiple charts at the same time here. So right now, just playing a little bit wild. I just got a new eval here for fun. So this is a real eval. Just bought it. Already down here. My target is a 700 here. I think you're going to tap 700. So kind of right here, that first fib extension. But also because you're over that 85 level, your next level is 91. You get over 91, you're going to fucking fly. So, but if you get over 91, right? If. So right here, because I'm going to do one trade and just be done for the day here, I'm going to buy 10 more contracts here. Extra dangerous. I mean, then like in 10 points here, I might get smoked here. It's the end of the day. You're gonna have big moves here. You got the 50 move coming up here. So you're right under that pivot point here. Looking to squeeze and break past these highs here. So this is like a squeeze zone. So right here, just this is your squeeze. So that's why you're squeezing. There you go. So I just made a quick 382 here. Obviously on this account, I'm up a considerable amount on this position here. Obviously we're hedged. You have a head and shoulders here. So what I'll do here maybe is size them with like 10 micros here. I'm just reading price action here real time, guys. So gonna size them with 10, gonna go to 10 ticks here just so I can see the structure a little bit better here. Okay, I see it. I know it's happening here. You're in your pivot zone here, so I'm gonna maybe try 10 more contracts. It's 242, so I'm just afraid of a big knife candle, more so than up, because they've had us down all day, and sometimes this is like the time where like they tend to kind of fuck you over. So we got 7 minutes left till kind of whatever it's called. So you're bouncing your line here. You're not breaking it, so. You see this auto fib here? It's adapting here in real time to the chart. It's live. I have a bot that's reading the chart. Sometimes I think fibs are wrong. This is giving you more precise fibs here. You have your 50% line still here at 86. You can see the candles are good. You can see the candles are good.
Guess what?
What?
Guess what?
What?
I'm green for the day.
Hell yeah.
I'm green for the day. I made it all up. I made it all up.
That's
scary as shit.
Good stuff. But don't be scared, man. You don't have to be scared. I know it's just like, the feeling of losing sucks, but it's just like, it's not a matter of if, but when the next time, as in like, see, look at that squeeze zone here. I'm not involved because the candles are kind of crazy, guys. So if I guess I'll just show you guys since I'm on stream. So if I just grab a short here, right? I'll just grab a short here. It's just very dangerous. These are your next probability zones here. You're right next to your whatever it's called. So like at a split second you can come all the way back up. So
look at the screenshot.
Wait, hold on. Hold on. Try not to blow my account here.
Dude, I can't believe it, bro. I saw that NDX put for 110%.
Hell yeah, my boy.
That's why I'm like, please go.
Gonna size in here with some more micros. Going down with that bearish continuation here. Just gonna go full tilt 40 contracts. I'm targeting 663 here. So gonna put a buy limit here for 663. That is what I'm targeting here. Pretty sure you're gonna tap it here in a moment. So I have a buy limit here for whatever it's called. And then I obviously am gonna put some stop limits up here, like 25 maybe, kind of near break even by 25. Oh, well that sucks. Don't.
Fucking amazing.
That's gay. So this is a magnet here.
Fucking scared me.
Gonna size in here a little one more time. Gonna wait for that pivot point here. Again, I'm kind of lazy right now. I'm kind of burned out, so I'm just kind of showing you guys how to, with structure, kind of keep calm, composed. You have a rounded bottom here, so that makes sense that you're going up here. You have a head and shoulders. If you break 687, it's invalid. You have an inverse head and shoulders now. Here's your bull flag right here. I'm gonna go ahead and just, because you have a bull flag, gonna go long. You have a bull flag right here. If you break that swing low 676, it's invalid here. Otherwise, we have full extension of price targets all the way up to the upside, all the way up to 700 plus. So that's what I'm looking at here. Trying not to just take profits and scalp, but I don't want to take a big loss here. So I'm gonna put a stop limit here for 10 contracts, and I'm gonna ride this wave up here. We're in our squeeze zone here. If we break this upper barrier, that 700 asterisk here, yellow line dotted across, is our next target. Oh shit, I didn't mean to buy. Sell. Moving my stops up. Moving it up. There we go. So locked in some more profits here. Just showing you how I scalp in real time. I don't think it's hard or rocket science. A lot of people have trouble passing evals, but I literally do them like once a day. Gonna go short here. Oh. Gonna go short right here. Yep, short. So I'm short now. I'm gonna remain short. Gonna size in full tilt here with 40 contracts here. A little bit dangerous. I entered under my pivot, so I'm a little bit late here. But I'm still targeting that 40 level all the way down here. You're in your squeeze zone. This is very liquid here. Try not to get smoked. I think 700 is going to get tapped here shortly. You have a bull flag here. You see that bull flag? You have a falling wedge. Going to have like a little breakout right here possibly. But again, this purple line that I've drawn, it's a magnet. Price is having a hard time breaking away from it. That's why you keep gravitating toward it. You've been gravitating toward it for the past few hours. You have an inverse head and shoulders. You also have a head and shoulders. I feel like you're going to break it. They literally have been breaking these non-stop, so I don't feel like those are bearish anymore. I like longer, I like bigger time frame head and shoulders, and they're not even that much more accurate. I think you have to read the structure within the candles to understand what's going on here. So again, going kind of full tilt here on puts on an eval here. Already traded my eval for today. Did well. Got 2,000 overnight. Oh, whoa, there we go. Wow. You guys see that? Holy shit. Holy smokes. We just hit my price target as I predicted in real time. And now you have the 50 move here. You have a bear flag right here. Bear flag is playing out. Gonna go full tilt one more time with these puts here. You have a bear flag. If we break 676 will be my stop loss here. Targeting these lower lows here with all these levels marked out here. You have a symmetrical triangle as well. This is all bearish, but again, you can break out of it. So you're kind of wedging, you're wedging. Something's gonna happen here. You can rip up God candles, or right, we're kind of hoping for that rip down here. I'm up here on this account here. Went from 2,000 to 4,000. I don't really care about it though. I'm just chilling. I don't care about the count, candidly. I'm more focused on other things right now. So right here, very, very dangerous. You're wedging, you're wedging, you're wedging, you're wedging. I'm trying to avoid a breakout here because I have these profits. At least I have 1,000 of profits. I'll just raise my stop loss up. Excuse me, a little bit more. I'm just surprised they're not letting us drop here. This is crazy. Taking a look at SPX here. SPX is so close. It looks like it wants to. I think it really wants to. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go full tilt here one more time. Up $100 here. Could take profits. Could just get closer to that account pass here. But looking to see this actual break. Like I'm looking for a knife candle down. So I'm gonna just get my extra 5 contracts here. Willing to just go back to break even. Don't really know if I want to go negative here. And my final price target is this liquidity zone. So this is my target right here. I expect price to go down here in the next before close. Doesn't have to. That's just my target. What's up?
Hey, look at Rivian. It popped up on the scanner.
So just made a couple $1,000s on that account. Maybe I ought to reduce my size here. I think I can definitely pass this really quickly here. But you might just rip up here. You have a triple bottom here. God damn it, I fucking knew it. This is horseshit. So close yet so far away. You have a head and shoulders here. Really need some follow through. I need a big bearish candle. I just don't understand why they won't give us one. Like it's been weeks near close, like no bearish candles. So I'm up 900. I can take profits. I don't want to. I'm trying to pass this account here, like in one trade or a couple of trades. So I mean, I'm willing to lose it. I guess I'm possibly even willing to. I don't know. I guess go negative. So close, just need it right here. There we go. So about 300 bucks away from passing my account here. Just gonna scalp with calls here. So I just grabbed 20 calls here, just looking for quick scalps here. Gonna sell 20 up here. Should have just obviously held those puts here. There we go. Account passed. So I just passed my account in front of y'all while making over $15,000 on this other